Welcome. My name is William O'Toole. This is part of the Event Feasibility and Development series, and I'm going to explain to you the project system. This video is an introduction to Event Project Management System. It's a methodology used to produce an event. It's accountable and it's improvable. Ultimately, the event must use this methodology. Although event managers call it a variety of names and often do not understand that there's an underlying system to all their work. In this there are three phases. We have defining the event project, the planning, and the review and archiving. Note that we are beyond the phase of coming up with the idea or conceptualizing the event. However, part of this system may be used to establish the feasibility of the event, as the management of the event is part of the feasibility. To define the project, you must have a common goal and understand the costs and benefits. We must have an idea of the intangible benefits, such as community development or increasing staff morale. By defining the project, we are introducing a discipline to the work and enable the management to be accountable. The next step is clarifying the scope of the event. How many people? How long will it go for? Then we must understand who is involved or affected by the event, the stakeholders in other words. Now, the event organizer must create a work breakdown structure. This is the core to all event management. And if you don't know about work breakdown structure, then I suggest that you get some training in this area. At the same time, it's necessary to think about the possible problems, and that becomes your risk register. For the work breakdown structure and the risk, we get the critical tasks such as permission from the police or licensing or getting the sponsor involved. The next section to establishing the event management system is to decide on what has to be done, when and by whom, and what's needed. Each of these are connected to a template and information from previous events. Finally, everything depends on the checklists that go to your staff. Once the event is over, it is important in this system to evaluate the management of the event, not just the event itself. The results are then fed back into your next event as a baseline. So your event improves your management of your events. Each event, each pass through this cycle makes you and your team better at managing. This is the event planning, archive and review system. If you want some more information about these, there are a number of other videos that you can look at. Just click on one of the live buttons below, or you can go to my website epms.net, and there's loads of information on that. My name's Bill O'Toole, and this is Events Feasibility and Development series. And thank you, and happy eventing.